It suddenly dawned on me that we've talked about CPD in the front end, which hasn't changed much, but obviously we've changed it to store the CPD records in the CRM system so that we can report on it. And it sort of dawned on me that we hadn't actually shown you where that is or how that looks. So let me just find a user. Obviously, we're on the staging site, so there's lots of test users in here. I don't know if we'll have much, if any, CPD actual data in here. Let me see if I can perhaps click on a record that might have something. Let's have a quick look. Who's this person? Jackson. Let's click on this guy. So when we go into this record here, this is a record within the CRM system. What we've done is we've added at the top right, I'll just make sure there's nothing in there, there's not. In the top right, we've now got CPD cycles. So we've got these tabs. So when you come into a record, you get all of the normal tabs like event bookings, activities, membership, etc., etc. But we've got CPD cycles 1, 2, 3, and within 1, 2, and 3. So if I click on 1, this is capturing CPD cycle 1, and I think it captures, yeah, so it's got 1 here, which is obviously we know is a 5-year period. And then if we scroll down a little bit, we've got CPD cycle 2. And then we've got CPD cycle 3. I think we've got 5 of these. Yeah, we've got 5 CPD. This may be slightly confusing, but we capture 5 CPD cycles. So that's 15 years worth of CPD in each one of these tabs. So we were a bit limited on the amount of fields we could have in a custom field set within Civi. So each one of these is essentially worth 50. I think it's 15. As I'm saying that, is it 30? It might actually be slightly more. Anyway, up to CPD cycle 3, which should, is that right? It captures 45 years of CPD, I think. Or was it 75? I'm not so sure now as I'm saying it. But basically, all of the information is stored in the CPD record here. It's pulled over automatically from the CPD system. And what that then allows us to do, if we go into advanced search, is it now means that we can bring into any particular search criteria CPD data as well. So if I open up the custom field set here, we've got CPD cycles 1, 2, and 3, and the JBLs are appearing there as well. So for example, I can say I want to see anyone whose current cycle date was created today or this week or this month, and you get the idea. You can basically, now we've got all of this filter criteria to do with the CPD cycles in the CRM that we could combine with, for example, membership data or event data or any other sort of field set. So hopefully that's useful and how you expected to do it. I appreciate that until you start using it, there'll probably be more questions in terms of what you want to do with it and how you want to use it. But hopefully this just gives you a quick breakdown of what we've done there. And it would be good to know, once you've had a chance to review the CPD on the front end and on the back end, if that's approved, ready to go live. Okay, thanks very much.